Hi, my name is Wei Li. I'm the co-founder and CTO of Thunkable. Thunkable is on a mission to democratize mobile app development. We are currently empowering more than 3 million users across the globe. They can come to our platform to build, design, and publish the app. They can do it without writing a piece line of code. The part that I'm most proud about Thunkable is our global user. Every day they are sharing the best app they build, either for their family, for their work, for their school. It was wonderful to hear all this story every day.
My name is Jose Dominguez. I'm an engineer in the Thunkable team. The technology stack that we use at Thunkable is mostly based on JavaScript and TypeScript. We use React for mostly everything in the front and on mobile. And we use Node.js for the backend, and we write a lot of data very often. So we needed a system to handle those kind of loads, and MongoDB was the perfect fit for that. Our partnership with MongoDB has been fundamental to our growth. It allowed us to iterate very fast and build new versions of the platform without having to worry about scaling database systems and backup. So for us, being able to log into a dashboard and have most of the functionality already there is a lifesaver. Being able to monitor the cluster, not only from a hardware point of view, but also being able to dig into the collections, see if our indices are performing properly or have imported profiling information available. So from a scaling point of view, our experience has been that Atlas is such a reliable service that we pretty much can forget about it for 90% of the time. That makes our deployment, not only for production, but also for internal testing and staging, very, very easy.
MongoDB is great because we feel that they treat us like family. When we get started, we only have like few people. The MongoDB was super helpful. Like whenever we need to scale our problem, management our database, and how to optimize our data query, the MongoDB team was always there.
We actually needed to go back and rethink some of our initial design decisions about data, and we had a couple of calls with MongoDB engineers from the program, and since then our data storage needs have gone down and our performance has actually gone up.
Thunkable is currently support more than 40% of the Fortune 500 company. We were able to help you to build the best tool you can to present to your team, management, and boss. If you want to build an awesome app, check out Thunkable.